Hi everyone, today's topic is Pythagoras, another topic in our revision booklet. It's a very simple topic and let's get started. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Here we will learn about the Pythagoras theorem, including how to find sides of the right angle triangle and how to use Pythagoras theorem to check if a triangle has a right angle or not. Now first thing first, we need to understand what is Pythagoras theorem. So as you can see, this is a triangle. The Pythagoras theorem has a relationship between the sides of the right angle triangle. Okay, and then it's in a right angle triangle, one of the three angles is always a 90-degree angle, as you can see. And then the sides which are given in this triangle are known as either altitude, leg, perpendicular, or base or leg. Okay, you can say anything and you can name it the way you want to, but there are these two sides are always considered as the legs of the right angle triangle, and the third side is always considered as a hypotenuse, and it is the longest side of the triangle. Now look at this right angle triangle, and we know why it is a right angle triangle, because we have been given this small square which is indicating us that it is a 90-degree angle, which is known as a right angle triangle. Now to make the formula for the Pythagoras theorem, we have to give the name to the sides. So I have given A and B to the two legs and the C to the hypotenuse, and the formula which is going to make is a square plus b square is equal to c square. Look at the example shown here. In this right angle triangle, we have been given two sides, which is perpendicular and base. And we need to find the hypotenuse. And we already know that hypotenuse is the longest side of the right angle triangle and always opposite to it. So if we know any two sides of the right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem to work out the length of the third side. Now in this case, my two sides are 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Remember, Pythagoras theorem can only be used for the right angle triangles. Now if we see here that 3 centimeter will be written as 3 square and 4 centimeter will be written as 4 square. What does that mean? 3 square means 3 times 3, which is 9, and that's why I have shown 9 squares altogether here, and 4 times 4 is 16, so 16 square altogether. We can also write in another way, the area of yellow squares plus area of green squares is equals to the area of the third side, which is 5 centimeter, or the area of a blue squares, which is 5 square. Look at this worked example. We have been given two sides and we have to find the third side, which is my hypotenuse. So in that case, following the formula a square plus b square is equal to c square, I will write 7 square plus 6 square is equal to c square, and I'll follow 7 times 7 is 49 and 6 times 6 is 36. So if I add these two values, it will give me 85, which is going to be c square. And if I have to get rid of that square sign of with c, and I need to find only c, I have to square root the value to the other side of the equals to sign. And the answer which I'm going to get as a c is 9.22 centimeter, which is close to the 2 dp. And that's my answer for this question. This is another worked example. Have you noticed any changes here? Yes, this time we are trying to figure out the perpendicular, not the hypotenuse. So I will follow the same formula and I will write my equation the way the formula is being written, and all the values has to be written as per the a, b, c. Okay. Now to find my b square, I will minus my 5 square from 13 square, and the answer which I'll get is 144. And to get rid from this square, I have to square root the number other side of the equals to sign, and the answer which I'll get is 12 centimeter. So that will be my answer, and this is how I will prove my theorem that a square plus b square is equal to c square. Hope you all managed to understand this topic. Thank you very much for joining me for this chapter as well. Have a good day ahead.